here in the house. Today I'll be showing you how to cook KL Hokkien Mee. Here are our main ingredients: 12 peeled prawns, 120 grams pork loin sliced, 2 fish cake sliced, 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and the most important ingredient of all, 50 grams pork fat cubed. You will also need 600 grams of udon noodles and 100 grams of pak choy. Loosen your udon noodles. Marinate pork with half teaspoon light soy sauce and half teaspoon ginger wine for 5 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon cooking oil in a wok over high heat and add pork fat and cook until crispy. It is ready once it is golden brown in color. Remove from oil and set aside. Add garlic to hot oil and fry until golden. Add pork and stir fry for a minute. Pour in 500 ml of water. Season with 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon chicken stock granules. Add in your noodles and cook for 5 minutes. Add prawns and fish cake and cook for another 2 minutes. Finally, stir in your pak choy and cook for 2 minutes. Our KL Hokkien Mee is ready! Top your noodles with crispy pork lard.